Hello everyone, I am Prakash Saraf representing my company Saraf Academy. We are providing training classes for various national and international courses for more than 25 years. We have taught more than 50,000 students in these courses, and most of our students are very well placed in their life in different corporates. Today my focus is to brief you about the ACCA qualification which is offered from UK and which is running in 180 countries in the world.
Hello sir, this is Poonam here. Sir, I have a question for you. Sir, who can pursue this course?
ACCA can be done right after class 10. The entry levels are different depending upon your existing qualification. You can do the qualification after class 10. You can do it after class 12, that is undergraduate. You can do after graduation. You can do if you are part qualified professional like a CA inter-qualified. You can do this qualification after you have done the full professional qualification like CA, CMA in India. There are different entry routes depending upon your existing qualification. If you are a 10 pass out or 12 pass out, you need to give all the papers exams. If you are a graduate, you will be getting 4 paper exemption. If you are a part qualified CA, you will be getting 6 paper exemption. If you are a chartered accountant, you will be getting 9 paper exemption. If you are a CMA US qualified, you will be getting 7 paper exemptions. So there are different exemptions available depending upon your existing qualification. Actually, the total curriculum is divided into 3 levels. Knowledge level, 3 papers, F1 to F3. Skill level, 6 papers, F4 to F9. Professional level, 4 papers, P1 to P7. So a student need to give in totality 3 plus 6 plus 4, 13 papers. For a 10 and 12 student, you need to give full 13 paper. If you are a graduate, 4 paper exempt, 9 paper. If you are a CA inter-qualified, 6 paper exempt, balance 7 you need to give. If you are a CMA US qualified, 7 paper exempt, balance 6 you need to give. If you are a CA qualified, CMA qualified, 9 paper exempt, you need to give 4 papers. So depending upon your existing qualification, you can accelerate your course, your journey of ACCA, and you can complete this course earlier. We have many students doing this ACCA course after their professional qualification for getting the edge in their life. So we will highly recommend all these types of students to do this course at different entry levels. ACCA stands for Associated Chartered Certified Accountant. It is a UK based institute which is established in 1904. So the institute is more than 100 years old. The course is conducted in more than 180 countries. In many countries, CA means ACCA. So it's actually, we can say, a global chartered accountancy course. By qualifying ACCA, you will be getting signing authority. You can certify the financials of 78 countries. The most important countries are Singapore, Malaysia, Hong Kong, then Middle East, entire Europe. Most of the countries you will be getting the signing authority. ACCA Institute is doing very well in providing job opportunities in India and abroad. They are very aggressive for their part qualified students also, that they will be getting the job opportunities.
Hello sir, this is Saurav. How can I register for ACCA? How can I give exams?
For registering with ACCA Institute, you can go into ACCA website, that is acccaglobal.com, and you can register there directly on your own by filling the registration form, giving your basic details with the supporting documents and making payment by debit card or credit card. But we always advise to all our students that they should be registering through Saraf Gurukul only. Because if you will be registering through Saraf Academy, then in that case you will be getting fee waiver For the papers for which you don't have to appear for exams, you don't have to pay the exemption fees. So by registering through Saraf Academy, you will be getting a fee waiver of around 20,000 to 90,000 depending upon your existing qualification. So I will highly just request all of you that please don't register directly. Register through Saraf Academy to get the benefit and fee waiver. ACCA exams are quarterly based. Every quarter exams are held. In one quarter you can give 4 papers exam. But we generally advise our students that they should appear one at a time. So in a year they will be able to complete 4 papers, and depending upon the different entry route which I will be telling you now, then you will be able to complete by giving just one paper in maximum 2 to 3 years this course. The exams are computer based also, copy pen based also. So you can give exam if you feel copy pen based, if you feel computer based. But going forward the exams will be computer based only, because the employer wants that the students should be more computer friendly. So all the international courses exam are generally computer based, which ACCA has also incorporated. So after, if you have inclination in auditing, taxation, regulatory matters, international financial reporting standards, finance, corporate governance, ethics, risk management, ACCA is the thing you should be pursuing. The exams are held quarterly basis, so you will be studying one paper at a time, and it is very easy to clear the exams. It is not like the Indian courses where there is no guarantee of passing. If you give your hard work here, it's guaranteed that you will clear the exams.
Hi sir, this is Nidhi. How can I study for this course?
You can study on your own, or you can take training classes with Saraf Academy. If you go with the training classes, then we will be providing you online live interactive training classes for at least 90 to 100 hours for each subject. The classes include live classes, our own study material for entire curriculum, and the entire live class recorded version also. You will be able to view the recording any number of time, any time according to your convenience. You will be able to ask your doubts directly with the faculty in the live class, or when you will be doing recording, at that time also you can ask doubts with the faculty, because you will be getting the classes through a specially designed app. We have our student recently, Mr. Karthik from Jaipur, scored world rank 2nd and in India 1st in his professional level P2 paper. So we will be giving you lifetime pass guarantee. That is, once you join our classes, till the time you don't pass, you don't have to pay again, unless there is any change in the syllabus. So if you are interested in our classes, in our training classes, we will give you 500% to make you pass.
Hello sir, this is Nicole. What will be my total cost to pursue ACCA course?
Depending upon different entry level, the cost is also different. For a 10 and a 12 pass out, the total cost will be around 2.5 lakh. For a graduate, the total cost will be around 2.2 lakh. For a semi-professional qualified like CA Inter qualified, the total cost will be around 2 lakh. For a chartered accountant, the total cost will be around 1.2 lakh to 1.3 lakh. The duration is also different. For a 10 to 12 pass out, it is 3 to 4 years. For a, you can say, graduate, it is around 2 years. For a chartered accountant, it is just 1 year. For a CA Inter qualified, it will be around 1.5 years. So different entry route decide your cost and decide your duration for the course. But the duration which is there, it will be taking that duration only and that cost only if you study just 2 hours in a day. You can enjoy your life, you can do whatever you are doing, you don't have to disturb your life, and do the course, get the qualification, get the world recognition.
Hi sir, Shushmita here. What are the opportunities after completing this course?
ACCA Institute is taking aggressive efforts in providing job opportunities to their part qualified and fully qualified ACCA members. We are regularly getting from the ACCA inquiries for more than 100-150 jobs every day. They are creating a huge good opportunity environment in India and abroad for getting jobs. At the same time, we have our students across the globe in different corporates, and we have good connection with them even though they studied with us earlier. So whenever there is any requirement in their organization, they connect with us, they provide the opportunity to our students for getting job. So I mean to say, generally, by doing ACCA qualification, you don't require anybody's help. If you do your due diligence research, you will find that there are ample of good opportunities available by doing ACCA course. So invest your desired time, desired investment, and get the qualification which will give you the global passport, which will give you the global success career. So that's upon you. Take your right turn. Thank you everyone for giving your patient listening. I can just recommend you that this is one of the best course in accounting, auditing and finance area, which is recognized in 180 countries. I have briefed you what is the entire thing in the course, but still if you have any personal queries, anything to ask, please connect with us at classes@saraf.academy, or you can call us at 844 40 40 40